We've been coaching businesses on presentation skills for over 10 years, all around the world. Dubai, America, the UK, and pretty much all of our clients share the same problem. They hide behind slides in their presentations. But slides can really do you more harm than good. They can shift the focus, and as a viewer, you often don't know where you're meant to be looking. So, here are our 5 top tips on how to use slides for your presentations. So the first thing to think about is less is always going to be more. Make sure that you are the main focus, not the slides. So instead, write a script rather than creating a slide deck. And in that script, make a note if you want to use any slides. And if you do want to use a slide, use it for impact. If you think of a slide as a dynamic tool to use when it's really needed rather than wallpaper, you'll start using them differently. So think bold, think impact. And the next thing when it comes to using slides is favor images, not text. And please don't simply copy and paste your text from your script, or even worse, write out different script to what you're saying. It can be really confusing for the viewer. Images work best. And if you want to explain facts and figures, graphs can obviously be hugely useful. With your slides, make sure that they feel on brand to your business. Too many people copy and paste images from the internet that can feel really dated and can actually really cheapen your presentation. And there are lots of ways in which you can commission designers to do bespoke images for you and your presentation, all of which are actually really cost effective. So look up websites like Fiverr, for example, and commission slides that feel visually on brand to you. And finally, if you are using slides, always present to your audience and not to the slide. If you talk to the slide, your audience won't feel important, and basically they will simply switch off. So that was our 5 top tips on how to use slides in your presentations. I hope you found it useful. I've been Gareth Davies from the Presenter Studio, and you can find out more information about the presenter coaching that we do and how we might work with you further via our website, or drop us an email, or simply give us a call, and make sure that you connect with us on social media.